Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this very sparkly panning effect on CapCut PC. So I just basically searched up sparkle and I'm just going to use this one. You can add more sparkles if you'd like to by using other video effects. Also going to put the speed up at 100. And let's just review this a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to search for the pendulum. I'm just going to add that on top of that as well. And for the intensity, I'm just going to put it up to around like 4. And I want the speed to be at a 10. And you can adjust these to your liking, really. Okay, this image needs to be a little bit longer than that, so that's what I'm going to do. If it's not enough, just adjust the intensity of the pendulum like that and adjust the speed as well. Then I'm going to also add in a shake, so type in shake in video effects. And you're going to add that on top with the settings, speed like around 3. And the range should be at around a 2. If it's too much, I suggest just not using it and sticking with this one because it creates already like a nice panning on the photo. Works for our videos as well, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.